Hey guys, I wish I could be here under some better circumstances, but unfortunately this video is going to be a little bit different than my other ones. Over the course of the past couple months, I've been working on a project that's going to be focusing on some archaeological sites in Turkey. And while the video where I announced this project is filmed and scheduled for release at the end of this month, there has been some developments in the time since I filmed it. As many of you have probably heard, Turkey and Syria have been hit by a 7.8 and a 7.5 magnitude earthquake. I've been working closely with Ramazan Aygat, who is a professor at Harran University, for the upcoming project, and I don't really know how to put into words how strange it feels to go from talking to him one day about planning a really exciting project to hearing him go the next day talking about how his family has lost their home and how he's now working double time to help excavate corpses from rubble. This issue has been made even more difficult because the province where Ramazan has been working is in the southeastern portion of Turkey, and while there's been huge relief efforts throughout both countries, most of that funding is directed towards major population centers. And thankfully the funding in these cities has been able to, save lives and be able to restore some of the infrastructure to prevent further damage. However, on the flip side of this, the smaller communities that have also been absolutely decimated by this earthquake have been more or less left in the dark by aid funding. And now, while I feel pretty powerless in this situation because I'm literally half a world away, the one piece of power I do have is I have a really loud voice, and I know that a lot of people will be able to hear this message. In an effort to use this reach for something good, myself, Dakota, who I'm working on this project with, and some of you may know, alongside Ramazan and my technological coordinator, Henry, working to try and raise funds for these smaller areas that have been devastated by this earthquake, which is going to be directed to small communities such as the Ahmet Hoca village, which has about a population of 200 and just in the last couple days alone has recovered 30 bodies from the rubble. The GoFundMe page for this is linked down in the description. Currently we're trying to raise $50,000. I'm going to be sharing some stuff on my social media as well in hopes of just being able to get it as broad of a reach as possible, and I'll be reaching out to some of my other content creator friends in hopes that they'll be able to help spread the word as well. And hopefully we'll be able to raise more than the $50,000 that we're aiming for. And then along with my own donation, I will also be donating whatever ad revenue this video makes in the time that it's up. I'm trying to keep this video brief because there's only so much that can be said, but the links to the fundraiser are in the description. There's more information about it there. If you are able to give, anything will help. And if you aren't, that's totally okay, but please, if you could share this video and help get the word out, it would really mean the world to a lot of people who really need it. The actual announcement for the project in Turkey will be at the end of the month, and I'm hoping to actually give a bit of an update on fundraising and whatnot when that video comes out, just in the wake of all of this. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in a little bit.